Big names are making big predictions for Bitcoin. At a May conference, Warren Buffett warned about a weakening US dollar, prompting Bitwise's president to tell investors to get some Bitcoin. In fact, Cointelegraph reports Bitwise believes Bitcoin could hit $1 million by 2029, while institutional adoption grows. Even the CIA's deputy director says crypto is here to stay, calling rising adoption a great trend. Meanwhile, MicroStrategy is doubling down. Mike Saylor's company plans an $84 billion fundraising to buy more Bitcoin, aiming for a 25% BTC yield and $50 billion in profits by 2025. Venture capitalist Tim Draper made headlines too. He predicted Bitcoin could skyrocket to infinity if the dollar collapses, comparing it to the Confederate dollar's collapse and urging investors to hold enough BTC for a crisis. It's a wild forecast, but Draper's bullish on crypto as a hedge when faith in the dollar falls. On the lighter side, Baanx founder CZ joked that Satoshi Nakamoto might be an AI from the future, a fun theory, in a Turkish interview. He even said Bitcoin will eventually be way bigger than gold. Ethereum has its own momentum. Cointelegraph notes ETH is nearing a key level against Bitcoin, around 0.016 BTC. The last time it hit that point, it rallied about 450%. Traders are watching for a breakout. Even Vitalik Buterin has laid out an Ethereum 2025 plan. He's focusing on strengthening Ethereum's layer 1 core security, decentralization, privacy, and expanding the broader ecosystem. On April 29th, the Ethereum Foundation restructured leadership, naming new co-CEOs and setting Vitalik and others as a strategic board. Their goals include better scaling of ETH's mainnet and easier developer tools. Plus, the Pectra upgrade is coming live on May 7th, adding new account features and helping layer 2 scaling. Another altcoin story, XRP. Traders are excited. US ETF approval odds for XRP just jumped to 85% thanks to SEC changes. Analysts say that could push XRP to new all-time highs in 2025. The charts even show a bullish wedge pattern. A break above $2.40 might target around $3.74, a 71% gain. In crypto adoption news, MetaMask is launching a new self-custody crypto card. Powered by Mastercard and Baanx, this metal payment card lets you spend crypto directly from your wallet without preloading. It pays on the spot via a smart contract on Consensus Linear Chain, completing tap to pay in under 5 seconds. The global rollout is planned for the second quarter of 2025. Coinbase also has something new, an institutional Bitcoin yield fund launching May 1st. It aims for 4 to 8% annual returns by doing conservative BTC basis trading, earning the gap between futures and spot prices. It's only for non-US institutions at first, offering yield in BTC. Regulation is evolving too. South Korea's ruling party announced plans to allow spot Bitcoin ETF trading this year, joining the US, Hong Kong, and UK in ETF land. Traders there will soon be able to buy ETFs tied to BTC and ETH. That's a wrap on early May's crypto news. All numbers and quotes came from trusted sources like Cointelegraph, Crypto.news, and U.Today. All source links are in the video description for those who want details. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more crypto insights. Crypto Inspector is out.